How are you all? Welcome back to the Bitcoin channel. Today, Rich is making another movie about XRP. I hope today is a great day for everyone everywhere in the world. XRP is what we'll talk about. This is the picture from the other day. We're at 307 now. There were no people in this market today because everyone wanted to sell their cryptocurrency. Right now, the market is doing really well. Also, look at how fast XRP rose back above 3, how much the price of Bitcoin is almost 17,000. And Ethereum ETH is getting a lot of attention right now because it hit a new all-time high of 4,800 and went as high as 4,850 earlier today. Everyone is now talking about the second half of the season because they believe this is the time we've all been waiting for. What can I say? This market looks great, but it's not quite the end of the season yet. People are already calling it ETH season, and it won't end until the old season ends. It's slowly going up because of Jerome Powell where we are. The feds are looking ahead to the next few weeks and months. In the worst case, jobs could be at risk. It's a tough spot here. Our plan tells us to balance both parts of our dual mission, even though they are different goals. A year ago, there were 100 basis points more between our policy rate and neutral. Now, there are 100 basis points less. Along with other signs of a stable job market, the unemployment rate means we don't have to rush into changes to our strategy. Still, even though policy is tight right now, the baseline, we might need to change how we make policy because of the way things look and how the balance of risk is changing. It seems likely that rates will drop soon. No one paid any attention to this, but it means the market will stay strong. So in SEC versus Ripple, the Second Circuit had to throw out both CASs. The case is over now. XRP can now get better. What will happen next with XRP interests me right now. All of this is just news. Once these organizations say they are working with Ripple and XRP, it will be worth a lot more. For now, though, everything looks great. This is the moment we've been waiting for. In Japan, Ripple and SBI plan to give out RLSD. In Japan, SBI wants to let people use our months of 2026. It was also big news. Also, look at the timeline. This goes with the old season. XRP's blow off top will also happen around the same time in January or February. I don't think people will slow down even though they want to. I think we'll keep going up as long as it is useful and has a use case. In Japan, SBI Holdings and Stadale Group are building it. On one blockchain, it will apply to the trade crypto, tokenized stocks, and real-world assets. This is also very big. It looks like JAF1. There will be a lot more tokenization in Japan from now on. They already know about how XP works. I think they'll also start to use it for tokenization. Also, this is very important. In DC, it's FinTech Week. Look at these names. The head of the SEC is Paul Atkins, you see. After that, you can see Citi, the Bank of England, and the Saudi Bank. Ripple is going to be there. Brad Garlinghouse is planning to be there. What a wonderful event. There will be a lot of people there. These events are only open to people who are in the future. There are also platinum donors that you can see. Waves and Chainlinks, they will also be there. As I've said all along, Ripple and Chainlink are not the same thing. Getting into fights, Ripple was an important part of RLSD. Circle will also be there. It's going to be big, and I think big things will come from it. And Brad Garlinghouse finally posted. A lot of people at Sol have been interested in crypto for a long time, but the stage and one talks have become very different from what they were even a year ago. It's not likely that many of us thought that more than one Fed governor would officially back crypto technology. A brand new day. It looks like the Fed's leaders are now also on board with crypto. Last year at this time was not at all like this year. This time of year. Crypto seemed dead last year, and there were no signs that things would get better. The SEC still hired Gary Gendler to work there. What a difference between then and now. And now we're about to enter the exciting times as crypto buyers too. Now is the time to spend all day checking on your stock and watching its value go XRP rate change. For every 30 minutes that Pal talks, RP only gained 30.7 million new money. E's market value went up by 15 billion, which is 488 times its value. Thanks for staying. That was done by Zach Rector, thanks. Not just this season, but also next season, the market cap increase will be very important when the ETFs come out too. Think about all the new money from banks and other institutions that is coming into the space. Also, look at how badly people want XRP ETFs right now. I said prices would be much higher now, so there is no way to know for sure what the price will be in a few months. Rules are the most important thing right now. Also, the game will get bigger because tokenized assets will go through the roof at the same time as new rules are made. This coin is going to have a great day. There's to stay locked up. Don't sell your XRP right away. An expert has found the spot where XRP riches are made. In other words, they're talking about the last wave or push-up. It's been said that the peak will happen in October or November by different people. What the heck is going to happen to XRP's peak while we wait for ETFs to be approved? Think about those ETFs getting into the market. Okay, the money will not only come in the first month, but also every month after that. After the first month, it will come in the following month, and so on. Next, you can look at tokenization, which is also picking up speed thanks to new rules that will make the XRP system more valuable. This will cause the price to rise over time. I believe people are putting too little value on XRP right now. I can't wait to share this great run with all of you. This is what this whole thing has been about for me so far. Since 2022, my dream has been to get rich with all of you. Now it's come true. I told them over and over to look at all the big news about XRP that didn't change the cost. Do not miss the big news. The price has not changed. The best run we've ever seen is about to begin. Besides that, it's catalyst after catalyst. I've never seen anything like this before. Not a single click XRP has the best return on investment in this area. Today, improvements are being made to S1 XRP EDF's Canary. CoinShares, Frantry, and Bitwise are the ones we've seen so far. They put these guys together like this. It looks like they need to get these ETFs right away, or each XRP will cost a lot. That's why I've been telling people that now is a good time to buy while the market is still going down. There will be another chance to buy something while we wait for the main part of this run. Either do nothing or buy when the price goes down. XRP is also still very cheap if you buy now. And Donde Finance, which is the XRP system for government funds, uses ripples to make tokens and cash them and do this. Often 93.25 as a tokenized asset. Take a look at those names, USD, RL, everything be changed into tokens. Now there will be stocks everywhere, people from all over. You can invest money in these businesses because of tokenization. I want to know what kind of technology they will use. You should hold on to XRP until everything works out. Right now, XRP is worth 37. This is what happened after the market cap went up. The price of XRP can be changed easily. You should always keep that in mind. Now think about CBDC going live on the XRP system too. Consider how much room and worth that has. People will keep XRP coins for a long time. It will happen, so just wait patiently and stay positive. Then we will all get rich. So I'm going to end this movie. Thanks for seeing. Thank you all. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.